Purporting, meaning claiming or appearing to be something, often falsely. Synonyms: claiming, pretending, professing. Example: he was purporting to be a police officer, but he was actually a fraud. Intercede, meaning to speak or act on behalf of someone to help settle an argument or problem. Synonyms: mediate, intervene, plead. Example: the teacher interceded to stop the fight between the students. Periphery, meaning the outer edge or boundary of an area or object. Synonyms: edge, boundary, outskirts. Example: the small villages lie on the periphery of the main city. Twitch, meaning to make a small, sudden movement, usually caused by nerves or surprise. Synonyms: jerk, quiver, spasm. Example: his hand twitched as he tried to control his temper. Unfazed, meaning not worried, surprised, or upset by something. Synonyms: calm, composed, undisturbed. Example: she remained unfazed even after hearing the bad news. Frenetic, meaning fast, energetic, and uncontrolled, frenzied. Synonyms: frantic, wild, hectic. Example: the office was filled with frenetic activity before the deadline. Litany, meaning a long list or series of complaints, problems, or excuses. Synonyms: list, catalog, recitation. Example: he gave a litany of reasons for being late. Affinity, meaning a natural liking or connection with someone or something. Synonyms: liking, attraction, kinship. Example: she has an affinity for poetry and literature.